For Prerna, an upcoming photojournalist, life's challenge was to explore deep into social issues, environmental concerns, investigative stories, all that could do good to the world. Her current assignment being an article on global warming and environmental equilibrium, she was on her way to meet the green miracle man, Dinesh Rawat, the man inspiring thousands by his Mission Green, the Green Messiah who has been the ambassador of raising environmental awareness and to propagate the burning need to go and grow green. Prerna's exhaustive research on Dinesh revealed that apart from his philanthropic environmental mission, Dinesh Rawat has been a highly successful businessman and an entrepreneur in the area of international trading, having business interests and offices in Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Singapore and Bangladesh. He is widely travelled, covering 60 countries all over the world. A revered business personality who is a member of several leading chambers of commerce, export promotion councils and business fraternity groups. But even Dinesh's jet-set 5-star lifestyle of achievement and comfort could not deter him from his commitment and dedication towards his mission for the mankind, to go and grow green. Any normal man of Dinesh's stature would have been craving for name, fame, power, position and money. But Dinesh's life's mantra was simple living, high thinking, to live a spiritual life in harmony with nature.
And what I see here is true to his nature. What comes from his heart, he has evolved here. And that's amazing to see.
कि वो यदि बिजनेस पे कंटिन्यू रहते तो बिजनेस को बहुत आगे ले जा सकते थे, बहुत आगे ले जा सकते थे। और ये भी जंगल को मंगल बनाया लास्ट 10 ईयर में मेरे सामने देखते देखते ग्रीन मॉल को.
In fact, he is a very visionary man, no doubt in that. See, generally we business people, we plan only for 1 year or 2 years or 5 years. He is planning for the generation.
I have not seen a more determined person than him. His determination towards his work is so definite.
He says, I don't want to be only businessman. I don't want to be only businessman. I want to work for the mankind. I want to work for the nation. I want to do for the, soul. That's all. That's what he says.
Ma'am, a very warm welcome to Green Mall. It's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.
A rejuvenating natural oasis. The abundance and aura of nature, flowers, plants. Just 25 kilometers from the heart of Kolkata. Dinesh Rawat's dreamland, the Green Mall, a refreshing departure from Kolkata's concrete jungle. The Green Mall is where you breathe fresh air, enjoy the scent of flowers, all in the lap of nature.
दिनेश जी, ये सब की शुरुआत कैसे हुई?
दरअसल मैं तो इंटरनेशनल ट्रेडिंग का आदमी था, सारी दुनिया घूमता रहता था. Somehow I came in contact with ब्रह्मा कुमारीज और वहाँ पे मेरा एक लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. मैं चेन स्मोकर था, I used to smoke 60 cigarettes in a day. I was a total non-vegetarian and I used to drink 4 packs of Scotch whisky every day. I could give everything up in one day after coming in knowledge from Brahma Kumaris. और उसके बाद जो है I was moved and I wanted to make a spiritual retreat center run by Brahma Kumaris. So in 1999 हमने यहाँ पे 2 एकड़ जगह खरीदा और उसको डेवलप किया और 2002 तक काफ़ी डेवलप हो गया, फुल फ्लेजेड सेंटर बन गया और मैंने भी अपना यहाँ पे रेजिडेंस शिफ्ट कर दिया कलकत्ता छोड़ के। तब से मैं यहीं पर रहता हूँ। मैं यहाँ के एनवायरनमेंट से इतना इन्फ्लुएंस था, इतना मोटिवेटेड था। इट्स अ वर्चुअल पैराडाइज फॉर मी। आई एन्जॉय माई लाइफ हियर। यहाँ पे राजयोग सिखाया जाता है और ये एक ऐसा ज्ञान है जिसकी तुलना सारे संसार में किसी ज्ञान से नहीं हो सकती है।
Dinesh's Dreamland, which began its journey as a spiritual retreat center for the Brahma Kumaris, has a peaceful, tranquil ambience for meditation, wellness and salvation.
आकर के हम लोग को बताते हैं कि ये गुण और ये शक्तियाँ तुम कैसे हमसे प्राप्त कर सकते हो। तो ये यहाँ की पढ़ाई है।
Since 2007, the Green Mall evolved